This fight will be prepared for so long. So please, you want to get out. This fight will be started. Let's go. Look one. Put the fight with Asia. Yes. Heavyweight 100 plus kilo. Sabi-sabi, semua dunia ni top slam, left line, left down, round low, semua tu place, kurang 5 guys. QB Watiblahan, Rambegon Sambil. Yes, Sambil. Come on, keep strong, same seperti Ascot Semisat. Warm up, Rambegon Sambil. Ring Naya. Yes, right. This fight will one interesting fight from everyone deciding what's time out the champion, the world champion, and your white corner, give it up for one and only Ryan Thompson. Also this top flyweight will embrace the United States. This fight, very looking to winner for this boxing match. Loaded in some comfortable. Also fans, yes. Final one, which was placed through. Now you sit down tight for taking out control. And please remember, you will support them. Whoa, Lakura, I mean the representative for Kingston, the Recta. Whoa, Lakura, Unica, all the way from the United States of America, the one and only, the President, the Red Boxer. Okay, inside the ring, you got the white corner. You got the white pounder. Give me the white pounder. Now the black corner. You got the one and only red card. Give me the black corner. Fight preview tonight, and we start between the one pounder and Rega. Officer, whereby he has no matter. Referee, no matter tonight. And Mr. Sperry. Give him the applause, Mr. Sperry. You are boxing inside the ring tonight. You got the white corner. The one puncher for the black corner, I mean the Rega. Fighter, Tula fighter, Itulay luglugi, Tula fighter. Coach, he's going to go ahead now. He's going to go down. Coach, President, one point. You guys ready? Fight, lady. Yes, you go left. You know. Hold on. Left. Hold that. So brother, me one fair fight, one clean fight, and I'm not going to kick. I mean, one kickboxing, so no kick, no head, hand more. Okay, straight, ready? You ready, first round? Play. That's some glove. Okay. What's it good? You will play that. You will play that one touching him. Yes. You saw look. Now one puncher, have you something on the chest? One puncher, have you something right now? Right there, no. She wins. Alright. Ini bersama tuh. Oke. Ready? Ready? Box. Yes. Yes. Sobat semua mereka ini sahabatku Edward Lekoso mereka ini selamat kicau baik dulu kita terima dari Indonesia dari William Lekar Edward Lekoso And the winner for this fight, first round, heavyweight world champion, Madam Brandy, one and only, the Rekha. Give it up for the Rekha! By Faida, by any category, by the only category, the best. Today when you first night tomorrow, was you wonder what's it? The second night will be tomorrow. Please, maybe we will be now watching second fight. Second night will be tomorrow. As your behalf, your Super 223 News now commentator. Thank you, family, to become the watch. So this boxing match.